here, check him out. He's pretty cool. This is a butternut squash, right? And so you see the little guys here at the end? That's a butternut squash. So basically, it looks like there's one here too. See right there? Cool, huh? So then these things are gonna get bigger. You know, they're gonna get big. I cut the end off of it. See the end down there? I cut that off so it wouldn't grow anymore. These lemon cucumbers here, these I don't see anything coming out yet, but I got them up here, like I said, on the trellis there, right? Down here, I have to show you. Watching for spider webs. See this kale? Last video, if you noticed, last couple of videos, this thing was full, right? I harvested this probably last week, I think. So look how much, that's crazy, huh? So it's already, so by next week, I'll be able to harvest it again. I harvested these guys, these right here, these eggplant. See my jalapenos here? So I did the research. I promised. I said I was going to figure it out. I don't know if you guys watched the other video, but I think I said something about these. Why are they red? You know, apparently we pick them when they're green, and we're supposed to. And then when they're red is actually when they're, I guess, apparently ready. That's what I read. So apparently, so then these are actually. So I'm going to harvest all these today. I'm going to have a whole bowl of these puppies. Look at those are all. They're small though. I don't know why they're so small. I think they're small because this bed right here. I did not rotate, and like I was saying in one other video, I should have rotated. So now I think I gotta look that up too for the next video, right? Why why aren't they as big? I think it's because the soil, maybe, maybe if I would have rotated and put those in an area that didn't grow peppers last year, right? And then maybe I would put something over here, like maybe lettuce or something, and then put that in another area, and then compost and refertilize it and all that. Maybe they would have been bigger. So I'll try that next year. I'm going to rotate everything. Next year, this won't be peppers, right? This box won't be peppers next year. So these are the bell peppers. So yeah, so they're small bell peppers. And then here, look, see, there's little habaneros. Look at these bad boys. These are little. They're not as big as they were last year, though. Like I'm saying. So, but look at them. They look like they're ready. They're ready to go. These are orange. So I'm gonna pull those off today. So I'm gonna have that'll be empty, and then that one will be empty. And I'm not sure if they're gonna grow back anymore because it's the well, what is the date? Yeah, it's the end of August. So we're yeah. So I don't think they're gonna be growing any more jalapenos there or habaneros. But so check this out. So then I'm gonna be pulling a lot of these off today. Okay, these are my little cherry tomatoes, right? These are awesome, right? These are gonna go into the salad for the lunch that we're having with the eggplant and the salad. It'll be like a vegan meal. I eat meat once a day or maybe twice a day sometimes, but I try to, I like to have vegan meals too. Just not 100% vegan meals, but I don't have to have meat every time I eat something. I like to eat meat because it makes me feel like I'm not, like I have my energy and stuff, especially when I work out a lot, so, but you could also get a lot of energy from vegetables. If you go to Grateful Garden in Reno, you can get lots of they have like raw power bowls, and I'm not really into all that yet. I have tried them before, but I'd say but they're awesome. So look at this one. So now the more butternut squash. Now see this one? Remember I was saying I'm gonna have the lemon cucumbers. These are gonna be going up. They're gonna be going over. So they're starting to go up. They're starting to come out. So those ones I'm thinking a couple weeks I'll have some of those, and they grow super fast. These ones right here, right? Look at that. That thing, hopefully this thing grows. I lost a couple of them. I don't know why. I had some squash bugs earlier. There's another one down here. So I have one, two of them that look like they're growing. So hopefully we'll have a good video for these in the future, and I'll be able to harvest them. But as of now, I have not been able to harvest these yet. And I think this year, last year I did, but this year the squash bugs came, and I started trying to pull them off. I haven't seen any. I'm wondering why I don't see any, because I had one of them that was over here on this side that I cut off that kind of died, or it started turning brown, because that's usually what happens when the squash bugs get to them, right? But maybe it was on that branch, and maybe since I got them, they're gone now. Maybe but this branch right here is a new branch, so maybe that's why this has some green, nice. It looks like some babies growing. So okay, so let me finish real quick. Down here, I'm gonna get some more eggplant. The reason why I'm growing eggplant, you guys, is because it grows, And so I've been practicing every year for like the last 11 years, and so I'm trying to learn just the best way. See, these were a lot bigger last year, so I planted them in the same spot. I got a little overzealous, and I just did not. I harvested some yesterday, But I got overzealous with this, and I forgot. I keep on forgetting. Like, no, you got to rotate. So this needs to be in another bed next year, right? And hopefully that will solve that issue. And then I'll go back, keep rotating them back and forth. So in the other video, I showed you guys that I had some lettuce over here that bolted. It went to seed, you know. And if you look at the video, I explain what that means. Well, this is the red leaf lettuce that I was going to grow originally. And so this one right here, I remember last year, year before, this stuff's awesome. Like, it doesn't have any problem. Like, it grows, it seems to grow through when it's hot and all that. And it seems to not go to seed. So let's see what happens.